Hare Krishna, welcome. Please join the sloka session. Today's sloka is 15th chapter, 12th sloka.
यदादित्यगतं तेजो जगद्भासयते अखिलं यच्चन्द्रमसि यच्चाग्नौ तत्तेजो विद्धि मामकम्.
Now, please join us in the wonderful explanation and description of Lord Krishna in this 15th Purushottama Yoga slokas. Krishna says, the brilliance of the sun, which removes the darkness of this whole world, comes from me. Incidentally, the sun, what we know, is common for the whole of material world. Material world consists of what? 14 worlds. What are they? Earth and 7 upper lokas like Swargaloka. Even Brahmaloka is coming in the material world. Swargaloka, Indraloka, that's what both are same. Like that, the upper worlds and Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Patala. This under the earth there are 6 lokas. So, and the earth total becomes 14 lokas. In these 14 lokas, there is only one sun. That is what we are seeing. So that is Krishna. And the splendor of the moon and the wonderful fire. Fire, can you describe it? How and why? When it goes off, where does it go? When it comes, from where it comes? It's all wonder. Such a wonderful fire, and the moon's greatness, the splendor, its light, coolness, everything, is these things also. Krishna says they are coming from me. So, Krishna does 3 things in this Gita. The apparent purpose is to make Arjuna do the fighting and win the war for the Pandavas. So the truth wins. The next purpose is to tell all of us good things, good qualities, what is the aim, ultimate aim of taking us to his loka at the proper time, not immediately. So that is the second purpose. The third purpose is to tell everybody the greatness of himself, because otherwise who will come and tell us? Now, for anybody else coming and tell us, it's only okay, you are appreciating. There must be a purpose, there must be a reason. They may think like that. Crooked minds think like that only. But he himself is coming and telling, so that has got a special purpose and meaning. So now the sloka and the joke have the splendor in common. Now, when Keshav, the owner of the Keshav group of companies, he is also medical shops and medical business. He goes to a medical shop and then asks, do you have a sure cure for serious cold? That is entitled as a customer, he is asking his requirements. So the salesman says, yes sir, we have Keshav cure. He doesn't know Keshav. That is actually his medicine. No. Then he says, do you have anything else or not? Why, this is wonderful, sir. The salesboy says, this is wonderful. You take it, sir. It's good, I assure you. I know about it. Give me something else. Sir, in a month, the salesboy is trying to explain and convince more and more. So in a month, our maximum sales is for Keshav cure. So that everybody can use that, you must try it. It goes beyond the limit of Keshav. He says, I am telling you, I am Keshav, the owner, means I know its quality. So you don't have to tell me. I know its effectiveness. So we will not tell more about that. Hare Krishna.